In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your HP Smart Tank 5106 printer. This will help you to reset your printer to the factory defaults. Now, first step is to switch on the printer and go to your smartphone, MacBook or laptop and open the HP app. If you want to know how to connect your printer with the app, you can just watch my videos on that. Once you connect it, go to the app section. In the app, select your printer. Scroll down and look for the option settings. That is here, printer settings. Click on the view all. Select advanced settings. Show details, visit the website. This is HP website. On the next page, you will see it will take you to the web browser where it will open your printer. Now click on the settings and then restore defaults. Scroll down, click on the restore factory defaults. It will ask you the pin of your printer. Open the front chamber and the pin is written just here. So you have to enter that pin. It will be different for each printer. Click on the submit and close this section. On this page, make the page smaller and click on the restore factory defaults and confirm it. Just wait for the printer to reset. So reset is done because it has lost the connection with the printer. And if we look at the printer, the power light is flashing, screen is off. Now printer is reset to the factory defaults. Now go back to the app. And now we can delete our printer. So scroll little bit more down, click on the remove from app and confirm it. Printer will restart and now it is reset to the factory defaults. Thanks for watching.